Hello, my name is Rafiq Wayani, and welcome to CCNP Route. I'm very happy to be able to introduce this to you. I've been involved in technology for quite some time and working with routing infrastructure since the mid-'80s. I'm approaching 3 decades in being able to work in information technology in all aspects. I've been working with the networking arena since Novell and Banyan Vines days and Token Ring days, and when that was popular. For those of you that have been around for quite some time, maybe that rings a bell. CCNP Route, and in this course, I introduce a wealth of information to you, and I make the assumption that you are a CCNA. I don't really review a whole lot of topics that are on the CCNA side, so be sure you are up to date on everything associated with CCNA. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to follow many of my examples. I don't go into knee-deep explanations on what are some things you would be able to or should be able to understand. iOS summary, iOS commands are something that I assume you know. The iOS interface, the Cisco iOS interface is something I assume you worked with. That you have some experience working with routers, especially if you already have achieved a CCNA. In here, inside of this course, I have a wealth of demonstrations, dozens of them as a matter of fact. I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to be talking about. I'm going to introduce the topic to you and then demonstrate. I think the best way for you or anyone to learn anything is by doing it. So I'm going to be showing it to you, and I'm going to show you and explain to you everything that happens. I start this course by planning it, discussing planning with you and reviewing a few things associated with planning and design. I then walk right into EIGRP, the Enhanced Interior Gateway Protocol. After EIGRP, when I do a whole host of demonstrations, I get right into IPv6 and how IPv6 works within this realm. I followed that up with talking to you about Open Shortest Path First, or OSPF, and then with BGP, the Border Gateway Protocol, and exactly how that works. And then I do a review, introduce those kind of wrap up those topics for you, and make sure that you understand exactly what I have covered. Be sure to watch the demonstrations over and over again if you're not familiar with the topic. You may be strong in one area and weak in some of the others. I'm really glad you're here. Welcome.